just heat should touch bad hair. Before you know it, you do like sponge. Hey besties, Deborah Ene here. If this is your first time on my channel, you're most welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome back. Hi, I'm Deborah Ene. I'm a Nigerian-based YouTuber. I make vlogs, I make lifestyle videos, I make beauty videos, and I'm here for your enjoyment. So today's video is going to be how to order hair from Asian vendors like wholesalers on Instagram or wherever. I recently made a purchase online. This is like a mini story time, but I recently purchased hair from a Vietnamese hair vendor. When you hear Asian vendors, it's not just Vietnamese or Chinese. It is Indian, it is Cambodian, it is Malaysian. So all that part of the world is known as Asia. So it's not only Chinese, that's Asia. But I did make a purchase about last month. So I'm just going to show you guys the hair I got and just tell you guys basically my experience like shopping with this company and like all the whole research I've done, like telling you my own take on it, because a lot of people don't know this is really uncharted waters for a lot of people. Basically, these vendors sell for mostly all our Nigerian hair vendors. This is where they get it. So I'm going to give you guys the tea, okay, on your favorite hair vendors plug. So guys, I am not recommending or endorsing this vendor. I just did my research and I decided to purchase from them. If you have shopped from any other Asian vendor, I'd love to know your thoughts on it as well. But in Nigeria, if you're a Nigerian girl, there's this craze now. There's a certain kind of weave-on that is running now. Yes. Okay, and it's called what? Double drawn bone straight. Okay, so I think bone straight is a word or a phrase coined by Nigerians alone, because I've never seen it anywhere else. So yeah, so I was like, let me just get onto this because I really wanted some hair. So I was like, let me just buy it since everybody's raving about this one. And when I went to the Nigerian like hair companies on Instagram, I just couldn't. I was just like, oh my goodness, why are these things so expensive? And I'm really skeptical about buying hair from Nigerian vendors. I just don't have the mind to do like I don't know. My mind, I rather buy online than buy here because a lot of them are scamming.
I said what I said, okay?
There are a lot of bad reviews about buying hair from Nigerian hair vendors. It's just like, it is just a whole nother story on its own. If you want me to do a story time about that, I will do a story time about that. But my own issue with them is that they sell hair that is not what they say they sell, and then they have this policy of no refund or no return. So if you sell hair to me that's like sponge, I can't get a refund and I can't get a return. Like, where do they do business like that? And these hairs are not cheap, okay? I'm talking about 100, 150, 200, 250, 300. So why would you want me to buy hair like that and you don't expect me to scrutinize how much worth of hair I bought? And if I have a problem with hair, I can't return it. No. For me, that was it. I was like, no way. So I did my research online. I went on Instagram, I searched and searched, I checked on YouTube, and I came across this company. This company, I don't think I want to call the name of the company because to me, I saw a lot of controversial comments on this company. So I really don't want to come here and call the company's name and be like an endorsement for them for you to go and buy. In case anything happens to you, my hand is not there. So yes. And they do shipping through agents or UPS. Agents takes longer and it's cheaper, while UPS is faster and more expensive. So yes. So it just comes in a UPS bag like this. And I picked up 3 bundles, which is 300 grams, and it's 2x6 Kim K closure. If you don't know what a Kim K closure is, don't worry, I'll show you. So this is the hair. So this is the hair. The first thing I noticed after taking them out of the bag is that the bundles are so tiny. I really don't know if it is because of length, but they are so tiny. So I got a 26-inch. So I got 3 26-inch bundles, and to me it just looks like regular hair. So this is what it looks like. It's bone straight, but it has a little curl because of how they packaged it. And it has a smell, like a conditioner smell, but it feels really soft. It really does feel soft. And yeah, it's I think it's good quality hair, because for me, because I don't like buying hair from Nigerian vendors, I tend to buy from AliExpress, but there's a $100 ban on Nigerian cards, so I couldn't even order hair from AliExpress because I can't even spend more than $100 in a month, you understand? So I was just like, I don't know how to do this. I really don't know what to do. So I was like, that even pushed me more to order hair on Instagram. So this is it. Oh my god, it feels very soft, and I think this is a good 26 inch. Yeah, this is 26 inches. But my fear is that I hope this one will be enough to do the whole week. So for the closure looks really good. The closure looks different from anything I've ever used. This, you can tell that this closure was handmade. You can just tell. So this is a double drawn closure. The regular closures you get are just single drawn, right? Sorry, this is super double drawn, okay? So it's a lot fuller than the regular closures I've used. I got a 24-inch closure to match my 26-inch bundles. So yes, that's it. That's the hair. So let's go on to the price, how to order and stuff like that. So basically, this cost me about, I'm just going to say it in Naira. So I got 3 bundles of super double drawn. That cost me about, I feel weird talking about how much I paid for hair because I don't want people to see me ask, you know. But basically, the 3 bundles and the closure cost me about 200. Yes, about 200, and I feel like, I don't know if it's worth it because I'm going to give this to my stylist to make it into a wig. So I'm going to know the quality of this. If she touches it and tells me this is good hair, then yes, it was worth it. But for me, I feel safer buying it direct from the vendors abroad than just buying it here, because a lot of times what they're selling for you is really not what they're selling for you. So yes, it cost me about 200. Shipping was $54 US. That was what made it that high, because the UPS shipping is so expensive. But apart from that, I think the hair is affordable, because if you check the prices that they are selling in Nigeria compared to what I paid for it, like the gain these girls are making are mind blowing. So if you're ever skeptical about buying hair from Asian vendors, please give it a try. But my only advice would be for you not to buy so much here. Just buy something affordable, money you don't mind losing. Even though this money I spent, I couldn't sleep for a month, okay? I was like, oh, if this money goes, I am dead, okay? So what they do is when you place the order, they make the hair for you according to them. So the hairs, people, you know, cut their hair and sell their hair, so they have to sew the wefts for you and also make the closure. So it's going to take about 10 days for them to make your bundles and your closure for you. So the more hair you order, the more time it will take for them to do your hair. So without that, shipping didn't take so long. Shipping was about a week. So yeah, I think it's not so bad. The shipping wasn't bad at all. It was easy breezy. And what else? So that's it, guys. I hope this video will be helpful to you in case you want to order hair online. Please drop me a comment in the comment section if you have ordered hair from any Asian vendor or Nigerian vendor. After a month, I'll come back and do an updated video of this hair. So I'm going to give this hair a month trial. You know, after I give it to my stylist, she'll just make it into a wig, and I'll wear this as much as I can and let you guys know the durability, because honestly speaking, bad hair doesn't hide itself. If small heat, Lagos heat touches hair, if Lagos heat should touch bad hair, before you know it will be like sponge, like a sponge. So if this is bad hair, I will know. So that's the reason why I didn't tell you guys the name of the company, because I don't want to endorse them. I don't want wahala. I don't want anybody to go and say, oh, DEBORAH said this hair people is good. I don't want wahala, as you see me.
I don't want wahala.
So if the hair is good and up to standard, after a month I'll come back here and give you guys the full details on the hair. So that's why I didn't really go in depth into everything, because I'm not so sure yet. So yes, a lot of these vendors are scamming people online, so please drop us your experience so that we can help each other out. And without further ado, please like this video, share, please don't forget, share this video with your girls. You don't know who it might help. I really didn't want to do this video, but I was like, this video might help somebody out, so that's why I made it. So let me know if you like this kind of videos, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It is so important that you hit the subscribe button and you join the family. And with all that being said, I will see you in my next video. Bye.